There are many areas in FSAIS where it is possible to print a report containing pieces of field data. Many times it's quicker and easier to print a booklet for a field containing all of the data rather than piecing it all together. This video will show you how to create a booklet report in FSAIS. Generally, booklet reports are used to communicate information such as soil sample points, nutrient levels, yield, and VRT product recommendations. Having this information organized in a presentable way can be a useful selling tool. To do this, I'll click on the Batch Reports tab at the top and then Booklet Report underneath. The top option allows you to name the booklet you're working on. Next, drag the farms or fields you're reporting on into the fields area. The options under Booklet Report selections allow you to customize your booklet. Placing a check mark in the box to the left of each option tells the program to print that type of information in the report. I will choose to have a cover sheet and a field boundary map. The field boundary map options let you make changes to the labeling, the zoom level, the field color, and whether to color the entire field or just color the outline of the field. You can choose to include field attributes as well if you have created them previously. Field attributes can include items like the field entrance, sinkholes, tile lines, and several other types of information. The Yield Map section lets you choose which yield attributes to include in the report. You can also opt for a single page per layer or one page containing up to 4 data layers. Choosing the 4 option will place the yield, moisture, and elevation maps on the same page in the report. You can choose to include the soil type map, which displays the soil zones in the field along with the names of each soil type. The sample analysis section will print the lab results for each soil point taken in the field. You can choose to overlay this information with other layers, including yield maps, soil type, or Veris data. The soil data analysis maps show the nutrient level maps for each nutrient selected from this list. These maps are created from the soil lab results. If you have previously created an RX application setup, you can include the VRT recommendation maps in the booklet report. In the settings area, you have the option to save the settings you have just selected so that you can use them quickly across multiple growers and farms without going through the customization setup each time. To save the current setup, click Save Setup at the bottom of the screen. You will then be able to select a saved report setup the next time you run a booklet report. You can also choose to use only the most recent data for each page of the map. Selecting Most Recent for this option will only print the current yield map and soil sampling results. You can choose to run this report instantly or schedule it to run at a designated time. The Master Base Layer for Reports option lets you choose the type of background maps to include on the report pages. When creating booklet reports, you can choose to have the results automatically emailed to users at other locations. The selected users will be sent an email as soon as the report completes. They can download the report directly from the email message. When you are ready to create the report, click Schedule Report at the bottom of the page. This will send the report to the file manager and notify you when it is ready to download. Once a report has been sent to the file manager, it can be accessed anytime after by clicking the file manager at the top of the page. You can scroll down to the specific report you want to review, right-click on it, and select Show Results. This video has shown how to create a booklet report for growers, farms, and fields.